Okay, good morning students. Today we shall discuss about sentences beginning with it and there. We use it and there when a sentence has no subject. Then it and there are used as an introductory word. It is a got, there is no way. Both the sentences signify that both the words are used as an introductory word. In these examples, subject is missing and it and there are used as introductory words. It is used to talk about time, date, weather. It is 3 o'clock. It was 4:30. It is 1:15. It is your birthday. It was 11th November. It is raining. It is blowing cold. It drizzles daily in London. It is leaking. It was a dark night. Now I will explain about there. The word there has a variety of uses. It usually signifies in that place, that location. It is used as a first word, introductory word in a sentence when it has merely an introductory and there is no signification of its usual meaning of place. There is a computer in my room. There were 4 persons in that car. There were only 15 students in the cinema hall. There are too many people in this elevator. There is a meeting in the afternoon. It will focus on the increase in petrol prices. There will be a computer for each student. There was a lot of rain in the morning. There are 100 students in my class. There is used as an adverb, is normally used to signify its usual meaning. In that place, that location. Do you hear that dog barking over there? May I please sit here? The coach shouted, "Stay outside there." In the office, his cabin was there in the corner. On the bank of river, he used to sit there. If you want to smoke, go there. Sentences of helping verb has, have, had, which denotes possession, can also be written by using there. A week has 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. I have 2 cars. There are 2 cars with me. Vertika has 1 tricycle. There is 1 tricycle with Vertika. Avam has nothing in his pocket. There is nothing in Avam's pocket. They have many number of toys. There are many toys with them. Now we shall talk about uses of there and it with examples. We must rest here and not there. My son noted that there were 2 white tigers in the zoo. We walked from there to the end of the road, then we sat for a while. There are some people in the office. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some change with me. There is not any money in my purse. There are not any girls in the classroom today. There is not a single married girl in the class. It and there are used as a subject, and there are 3 main uses of it and there. As a noun, referring subject it was raining, where it is applied to fill out with the clauses structure but has no referent. As a substitute subject, to stay in bed on a wet Sunday morning is pleasant. It is pleasant to stay in bed on a wet Sunday morning. Sentences like the last one present some difficulty of structure. The problem is to decide whether the clause for which it substitutes is a sentence element or a clause element. To stay in bed on a wet Sunday morning is an example. It is replaced by in and placed at the end of the sentence. Thus, these items are in opposition. The structural analysis is therefore when it replaces an item at subject and that item is written in later place in the clause, an opposed subject clause is created. It is the substitute subject and the second subject is the oppositional subject symbolized as S. As a dummy subject, it tends to be followed by an adjective rather than a noun phrase. It is used with be plus adjective plus to plus infinitive. It's nice to be here. It's lovely to have time to relax. It is used with be plus adjective plus verb ing. It's nice being here. It's lovely having time to relax. We use it with times, dates and days. It's 2 o'clock. It's Wednesday. It's 22nd. It's Christmas Day. We use it for weather and similar conditions. It's cold. It's raining. It's very warm today. It's getting dark. It's too bright in here. So students, don't bother too much about it and there. Both are used as introductory subjects and both have great significance in communication. Thank you very much.